Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, The Plumbing Gurus. My name is Clayton. On this channel, we're trying to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. And also, we love our drills and we love our Milwaukee and our power tools and our tools in general. We got sold on this new drill. It's a new Milwaukee M12. It's a fuel. It's the hydraulic Surge. So my understanding is that it's hydraulic powered versus metal to metal, which is what this one is, the old fuel style. So we're gonna compare these two. I've never used this drill before. I've used it on like just screwing in and out a couple screws, but other than that, I haven't really put it to the test to see what the actual difference is. We're using a XC6 battery, so it's one of the good batteries. A lot of power. These batteries, I'd highly recommend these. The 6s versus the 3s if you're going to be doing like using it a lot. I like to keep the 6 in the drill. That way, I'm not recharging it all the time. Honestly, I think maybe I charge this 4 or 5 times a year, to be honest with you. I use this mostly just for screws, so it stays in my tool bag. Enough chit chat, let's jump into it. So I got a 4-inch screw and I got a 3-inch screw. We're gonna drill through different woods just to kind of see what it does. And I'm gonna start with the old M12. This is a used beat up drill, so it might not perform as good as a new drill. Nevertheless, let's put it to the test. So this is just a solid 4x6 block here. Let's see how this does. 3-inch screw, we'll just get it started, and this is setting is number 3, so the fastest setting. Let's see how this does. It's pretty impressive for a little drill. Let's see how it goes through this. Even faster. And then a 3-inch drill through a 2x4. Man, that is smooth. I love Milwaukee. It's smooth, powerful, and I'm just used to it. And they cater so many tools to plumbers, which I love. So we're gonna switch over to the new hydraulic Surge drill. See what this baby does. Setting number 3. Get it started. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know that it's much faster, but there's very little torque when I'm pushing this screw through, and it's very quiet. Let's try it through this one. Like, I feel like, look at that, it just keeps wanting to push through the wood. I feel like there's very little torque coming back at me. Very smooth. Let's see what it does through a 2x4. Man, can't lie it that is. That is awesome. Let's try a 4-inch screw with this thing. See how well this does. Oh, beautiful. I really like this drill. I love how quiet it is. Usually it just like irritates your ears, it's so loud. All right, well, let's put it to another test. I don't really use these drills to drill holes, but we're gonna try it. Let's try the old M12 here. We're gonna drill an 1 1/8 hole and see what it's like. You can just hear how loud it is already. Let's try it. So it's a little bit of a struggle, not too bad. It's really loud, you can hear it. I'm used to it, but after using this other drill, man, what a difference. And when you're doing this, guys, wear safety glasses, but this for me is not too bad. All right, let's try this one. Oh, the noise is like very nice, smooth. Like I said, I'm really surprised about how little torque I feel in the drill when I'm drilling the holes. It just kind of wants to just feed its way through the hole. It feels a little heavier than the regular fuel drill, so the non-Surge drill. I would give this drill a very high rating. I'd give it an 8.5 or 9 out of 10. I love how quiet it is. I love how powerful it is, and it's powerful, but it doesn't jerk your hand. I find that's really nice, really comfortable, and just the weight balance of it feels really nice in the hand. It's got a little clip on the side here where you can clip on the side of your pants if you need to. So it's got 3 different settings, or 4 different settings I should say, on it. It's got a forward and reverse. It's got a little LED light in the front of it. Quick connect, 1/4-inch quick connect. Nice and easy. It's really smooth. Just push it in, it just slides right in there, locks into place. Yeah, I like this drill. Give me a shout out if you guys have used this drill before, or if you have any questions, leave us a comment. Love to hear what you guys think of this drill. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.